Hi, this is Simon with IQRF. In this video, let me show you how to connect an IQRF gateway to the InteliGlue platform. InteliGlue is an IoT data and management platform provided by Inteliments, which acquires, stores and analyzes data from gateways connected to various sensor networks. InteliGlue provides MQTT broker for MQTT connections. Start with registering a free trial account on the Inteliments website. Once you get your account access, log into the InteliGlue portal on portal.inteliglue.io. Create a new data account, name it, and select your MQTT broker. In the web application of the IQRF gateway, click on the Cloud menu and select Inteliments InteliGlue item. Then, click on the Add MQTT interface. Enter the name of the root topic here and the correct port number. You will find this information in your data account side panel. Create a new MQTT data client for your IQRF gateway. Copy your credentials to the MQTT interface configuration of your gateway. Now, restart the IQRF Gateway daemon service. Create another MQTT data client which will be used for another MQTT connection from a client application. Copy the credentials to your notepad so you can use them later on. Install and run the MQTT.fx application on your computer and modify the settings. Enter the profile name. Copy the address of the MQTT broker and paste it into the broker address field. Copy and paste the port number and the client ID. In the User Credentials tab, copy and paste the client ID and the password to the appropriate fields. In the SSL-TLS tab, check the Enable SSL-TLS checkbox and then select the CA certificate file item. Then, find the certificate file which you have downloaded from the inteliments.com. Click on the Apply button and close the window. Then, click on Connect. Copy the topic for request from the MQTT interface configuration of your IQRF gateway and paste it to the request topic field of the MQTT.fx application. Insert a DPA command in JSON format. We use the command which turns on the red LED on the IQRF coordinator. In the Subscribe tab, enter the name of the topic for responses and click on the Subscribe button. Then, click on the Publish button. Your commands will be sent to the topic where your gateway is waiting for them. Since you are subscribed to the response topic, you can check the output communication. You can easily double-check that the command has been executed. In the same way, you can turn the red LED off as well as send any other DPA command to your network. So, you just watched how easy it is to set up an MQTT channel for communication between an IQRF gateway and the Inteliments platform.